Each page is divided into sections. Sections are the full-width blocks on your page that stack vertically to build the layout of your site. Elements are the individual pieces of content on your page, like text, buttons, and images. Elements are the building blocks you place inside sections to create your design. You can reorder sections on a page by clicking the section and then in the floating toolbar, clicking the up and down arrows to move them around the page. You can add a new section to the page by hovering between two sections and clicking the Add Section button. This opens the Add New Section dialog. To start from scratch, you can click the Add Blank Section button on the left. You can click the Generate Section button to describe what you want to AI and have it build it for you. Or if you want to grab a pre-made block, you can scroll down on the left and look at the various categories. Click into a category, and then simply click a pre-made template to add it to your site. To delete a section, simply click on it, and then click the trash can icon in the floating toolbar.